among learners and teachers. So, meron dyan tatlong component: needs assessment and planning. Siyempre, lagi tayong data-driven, kaya pinalagay ng ating SDS. Infrastructure development, yan, upgrade internet connectivity and partner with internet service providers to ensure high-speed, reliable internet access across all schools. And set up network infrastructure with installation of routers, switches, and Wi-Fi access points in offices, labs, and assessment rooms. And power supply optimization, sufficient electrical outlets, backup power solution in offices, computer laboratories, and assessment rooms to support new equipment. Actually, nabanggit na doon sa atin ni SDS na isa sa mga kailangan nating ma-attain, no? Yung 100% na connectivity. No? For this year, at least simple connectivity, kaya ba yun, Sir Adrian? Pag simple connectivity daw po, at least sa office, administrative offices, merong connection. Tapos yung inaano po natin, pinoproject natin na magkaroon na po ng internet connectivity sa laboratories and assessment center. Parang assessment room, pero yung ginagawa natin na LR room and libraries. Okay, and procurement of IC tools, equipment, and smart TVs. So ito, ang smart TV dapat daw ay 55 inches and above. So sa amin sa Caloocan Science kasi, ang issue sa amin, yung TV ay nilipat-lipat. So na-settle na yun, ang usapan namin, yung mga nasa 34 inches, papalitan na natin yan by October. After Foundation Day, whatever naman generate, papalitan na natin na para hindi na ilipat kasi may 3 piraso na lang naman yun. Okay. So we expect na ang mga schools natin, ganon. So maganda pag may school na napaka-generous sa mga parents na, di ba? Parang mapakasimple, magdidali kami ng TV, magdidali kami ng aircon. Pag tinanong mo, paano ang kuryente? Ako, patay na. Buti lang ang kuryente ng Kalsay ay CityPay siya. So, thank you very much talaga sa ating, sa ating mayor. Talaga napakagalante. Okay, ayan. So, that would be our strategy 4. Next strategy na